Welcome back to the ultimate man cave build. Today, we're going from a hollow shell to a structural powerhouse. To handle the weight of a proper roof, we've installed these heavy-duty timber joists. You can see how they tie the entire structure together, giving us a massive span without losing any headroom. These aren't just for support, they're the foundation for our future internal ceiling and lighting rig. Precision is everything in a build like this. The PVC windows and those large French doors are now fully seated and sealed. Getting the structure weathertight this early is a massive win, especially when we start moving into the internal timber work. Moving inside, the transformation really hits. We're laying down moisture-resistant flooring to create a perfectly level base for the final finish. Notice the wall studs, we've run vertical timbers every 600 millimeters. This creates a secure cavity for our electrical wiring and gives us a solid surface to screw our final internal plasterboard onto. It's starting to feel like a real room now.